Hello and thanks for watching. Today I visit Santa Paula Canyon Falls. The waterfall is 20 feet high and flows year-round. Trail to the waterfall is 7.3 miles or 6 miles out and back, depending on the route that you choose. Trail offers you two options to reach the falls. You can take a left around Hill 1989 and continue to follow the creek to the falls. This option is a longer route and a little more challenging since it involves some boulder hopping. Other option is you can take a right at the fork and climb up the slope of Hill 1989. The trail then descends to Big Cone Camp, located on a terrace above Santa Paula Creek. You'll then follow the trail down to the falls. The entrance to the trail was recently moved to the historic original trailhead. Now you don't have to walk through the college. You'll start by hiking outside the perimeter of the college. You'll pass by an avocado farm and oil drilling derricks. I recommend wearing pants because you may encounter some poison ivy. Depending on the water level of the pool, you may even see people jumping from a granite platform next to the falls. Interestingly, I've even read that there are wild trout swimming in the pool below the falls. Keep an eye out for snakes. If you're feeling adventurous, you can follow the trail past the falls for some more waterfalls and swimming holes. This map is from the World of Waterfalls website. I sure hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.